In this video, I'll show you how to change your iPhone colors back to normal if everything looks strange, washed out, inverted, or tinted. If your screen colors look messed up like this, there are a couple of quick things to check. First, let's fix the app icon colors. Go to your home screen and press and hold on an empty area where there isn't an app. Tap Edit, then tap Customize. Here, make sure your icons are set to default. If they were set to clear or tinted, switching back to default may fix the issue right away. If the colors still look off after doing that, the issue is almost always in Accessibility settings. Open Settings, then tap Accessibility. Scroll down and tap Display and Text Size. Look for Smart Invert or Classic Invert. If either of these is turned on, turn it off. You may see your screen colors change immediately. Now go back one screen and tap Color Filters. If color filters are turned on, your iPhone colors can look very strange. Turn color filters off completely. Once you do that, exit Settings, and your iPhone colors should now be back to normal. These options are easy to turn on by accident, so this usually fixes the problem right away. If this video helped you, consider liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and sharing it with someone who might run into this issue. We're a new channel, and your support really helps. Thanks for watching.